All right, guys, so I'm here sweating my butt off today, but we're getting stuff done. You guys know how to do it, man. One-man operation. That's the first load that I got, and I just take my time and do a little bit at a time, guys, but we'll get this project on the road. And I'm just looking over some of the stuff. Now actually I will probably get this here re-chrome. That piece right there is the original piece. It's the deer and stuff. That's gonna look really good. These emblems cost a lot of money here, and I'll get that re-chromed. Hopefully it's not pot metal, but I'm sure they could do something to it. We're gonna go around here to the back side. Got some more pieces around here. So yeah, I tell you what, you guys know I don't like being around this high grass and stuff, man. We got these snakes. I'm not a big fan of snakes, boy. Let's see what we're working with. Hopefully nothing will jump out on me. Hopefully nothing will not jump out on me. Stuff like the hide and crap. I don't want to torque or bend nothing. Okay, there's a daggone tree underneath that thing. I don't want to mess this up too much. I may come back. I got my tools with me. I may unbolt this here, because I need all these pieces here. That frame, that's good there. That saved me a couple $100 right there, man. Yeah, I get BJ to help me with that. All right. Today. I'll probably take this hood here. I can lift that hood right up. Got this hood here that you guys saw me take off. All right, guys, so I'm here sweating my butt off today, but we're getting stuff done. You guys know how to do it, man. One-man operation. But hey, this is what we do, man. This is what we do, guys. And this is just a start of our new journey and our new project. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So this is the parts truck, as you guys know. And hopefully whenever BJ gets in, we'll go inside and we'll get the cab and everything. I'll let you guys see that again as well. So I'll turn you guys back on here in a second. Alright, guys, this is a few of the parts. I still got 2 cabs to bring over, and this stuff here is all of my parts truck. I mean, so this is almost like 2 parts trucks, to be honest with you. I got 2 sets of front ends and stuff, and trust me, I will be you know, selling a lot of these. I'll be parting a lot of these things out. And that's how I end up building my trucks, guys. But I'll be parting a lot of this stuff out here. I got 2 hoods and stuff. Got a rear bed over here, which hopefully Friday I'll be picking up my bed for my cab, and also the cab that I will be restoring. So I'm excited. Some of these parts, of course, I'll buy new. For example, like the running boards here. These running boards are, you know, if you're gonna make a rat rod or something like that, that'd be good to make a rat rod out of. You know, also I got the front grills over here. So if you guys looking for parts, I definitely got the parts. So I'm gonna get everything together, take inventory once I get both of my cabs over here. And once I take an inventory and stuff, I'll just go ahead and start getting the parts of the things that I don't want to restore, and we'll go from there. But this is basically what I got today. Just wanted to recap and show you, and this is stuff that I did all myself. I didn't have no help getting this stuff, man. It was, you know, a long day, but I got it here. All right, catch you guys on the next one.